Hello everybody, today we are going to be making a slime. So yeah, it's going to be fun I guess. So all you need is a glue, a contact lens solution, which I put it here, contact lens solution. I'll show you guys. If you there's contact lens solution inside, you can see it's contact lens solution. And then you need baking soda. Mix into a bowl. So I'm just gonna take out the bowl of my. I'm just gonna move this one side. Take the glue. Oh my gosh. This I'm gonna use a bit because I don't really want to use a lot. This glue is thick, like really very thick. So I guess it would work. I think it would be a good slime. Okay. And then, oh yeah, it's thick. It's really very thick. And then add some baking soda. My baking soda here. Just gonna add it to the slime, into the glue. Just a bit. Oh my gosh, the glue smells like it doesn't smell like glue. It smells like have a fragrant smell. I don't know what smell it is like. I mean, it smells like grape, I guess. Just gonna put a bit more baking soda, just okay. And then just mix it. And now put contact lens solution in it. And then take your contact lens solution. And pour a bit at a time. Pour it first. Okay, I think it's clumping up together. So I think it's working. Oh my gosh. Maybe I need a bit of baking soda like that. There we go. Perfect. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have contact lens solution. Oh my gosh, it's not a bit, it's a lot. Oh my gosh. It's forming. What I feel like it's clump like water. Feels like, whoa. I'm gonna wash my hand for a while. The texture is like, okay, I think this is really very thick. This is okay. Wow. This is really clumping up, so I think this is, if you want your slime to be thick, just add a bit of baking soda. So maybe I just add it. Oh, okay, it's sticking up. Okay, it's thicker. Okay, it's really thicker. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is cool. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at this. I mean, wait a moment. Let me focus, you guys. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. This is 100% amazing. Okay, I like this glue. Shout out to my cousin for buying it. He's like the best. But obviously family is best. But he's the best cousin. So I think I'm gonna put a bit more contact lens solution. Just like, I don't know what is contact lens solution for. I think it's to make the slime like gather up together and like make it thick also, like the baking soda. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Okay, it's amazing. Okay, it's a bit sticky though. So that's a lot. That's a lot. Okay, I think that's a lot. So you know, I'm just gonna take out. Okay, maybe I'm just gonna mix it for a while first. Oh my god, I'm gonna mix it with my hand now. So let's mix it out with my hand. Anyway, it's not sticky anymore like this now. Okay. Just a little. Let me bring you guys more closer, like there. I mean, it's small. Oh my gosh. Sorry, it's wobbly. I didn't just put you guys here. I'm gonna add some. Okay, it's so like making noise when I put, I don't know what it's called. I heard people say that it's clicky. Oh my gosh, if you guys did not know, I'm staying in a bungalow and it's like really beside the road, so it's like, don't mind if it's the background is noisy, don't mind. Oh my gosh, just a small portion, so it's not bad. I mean, it's good, that's what it matters. It's like, and it smells quite good. It smells like grape. So yeah, shout out to my cousin for buying it for me. Zoom it in there. There you go. I mean, it's a bit sticky, but I heard if you activate it too much, it will become very, very thick. So that's the reason why I don't put a lot of activator. I think I'll make more slime in the future, because maybe I can make fluffy slime or like crunchy slime or like clear slime. It's too zoom in, sorry. This is the ASMR, so I'm not going to talk anymore. So here's the ASMR. Okay guys, so that's the ASMR. So I'm just gonna wrap this up because I'm gonna end this video right now. So yeah, so if those of you who didn't subscribe to my YouTube channel now, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a like to this channel, and it will make my day, obviously. So please, I mean, like, if I'm not controlling you guys, but oh my gosh, it's so noisy. Okay, so I'm not gonna control you guys, like, if you don't want to subscribe, I'm still happy with it. I'm still fine with it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, and see you in the next time.